So we're in the workshop today and I've got the opportunity to show you how we mount the drawers into the Hiace. I know I'm going to be asked a question, so whilst they're out I might as well give you the rundown and show you how it's done. So the floor is a 16mm MDF floor, just standard, upholstered just with normal automotive carpet. And the drawer system is designed so it can be put in and taken out very quickly due to work reasons and things like that. So when the floor's in, adjusts the floor, it mounts down with the standard tie down points, what come with a Hiace. So there's no drilling, no bolting, no extra work done. It's just standard, put it in, bolt it down to what's existing. And the drawer system works the same way. So we've made the steel chassis up, which use the existing mount points, as you can see here. And then the drawers sit on those chassis and then they get secured by a steel tongue system. So we use these, so the chassis goes in, the drawer sits on the chassis, come to the drawer, the tongue fits into the feet, so the tongue goes into the drawer, over the bolt, and bolts down, which secures the drawer to the chassis, and then the chassis is secured to the tie down points in the vehicle. So removal is the same, you just take it out, you take the drawers out, take the chassis out, and then you're left with just a standard floor inside. So it's really easy, works well. It's good for what we want. So we're pretty good to go for the installation of the drawers. The chassis rail is bolted in down to the tie down points. The next step is that the drawer slides in and the tongues go in the feet and they get bolted down. So we'll show you when we've installed that. So we've got the first set of drawers in. We've slid them in, they're on the chassis mounts. So the next part is we take the steel tongue and we're going to put it in that foot, over the bolt, washer, nah, that's it. All four legs are the same, so that's the installation of the base drawer. And then the double decker on top, we use these M10 rivet nuts. And these brackets are bolted to the side. Second level goes on and it all gets bolted together. So we'll do that and we'll come back. So we've got the second set of drawers in, the top layer. And these ones bolt together to the bottom set. We're just going with these M10 rivet nuts. Brackets go on the side and get bolted together so they fix both layers together. Here's one I prepared earlier. They just bolt up, all four corners. Nice and secure, can't move forwards, can't move backwards, can't move side to side. And then that provides us with our bed layer. So flaps go down. They're really good for storage if you need to get into. You just flip them up, flip them down. Mattress on top, and that becomes our bed. Really good storage. Drawers are very heavily modified to suit what we need and to suit the mounting system and for our storage as well. But that's it, really quick, in and out. Sorry about the rain noise, we are in Melbourne, so if you've got any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching.